admin panel for the Ecomm Techsteck website. Here, to enter into the admin panel, we first have to enter the login credential. I have entered the login credential. Now let's sign in. We have signed in successfully. Now let's take a look at the dashboard. Here in the dashboard, we can see business analytics, which shows total sale, total stores, total products, total customers, pending orders, confirm orders, packaging orders, out for delivery orders, delivered orders, cancelled orders, returned orders, and failed to delivery orders. After business analytics, we have admin wallet, which shows the earning of admin. Here we can see the commission earned, delivery charge earned, total tax collected, and pending amount. After this, we have earning statistics. Here we can see the earnings in a line chart. We can see this chart based on this year, this month, and this week. After this, we have top customers list and most popular store and top selling stores. Here we have most popular products, then top selling products and top delivery map. This is all about dashboard. Now let's move to POS section. In POS section, we have product section and billing section. In the product section, we can see the products based on different categories like one pearls, face, skin, and hair. We can even search the product by its name. Other side is billing section. Here we can select the existing customer, or we can select a new customer. For selecting new customer, we have to add a new customer. We will have to provide its first name, last name, email, phone number, country, city, zip code, and address. And then we have to click on submit button to add it into new customer. Let's go by default. We'll select existing user. Here we can create new order for our customer Dr. Kevin Shah. To create new order, we'll click on new order. From here we can select the product. Let's go for cloth. We'll select the quantity to 2. Now the product has been selected. Let's select one more product. I'll go for headphones. We'll go for quantity 1. Let's add this into our cart. Our product has been added successfully. Now we can pay by cash or by card. To place an order, we'll click on place order. I'm going for cash. Do we really want to place the order? Yeah, sure. Now we can see the print invoice. That means our product has been ordered successfully. After this, we have order section. In the orders management section, in the order tab, we can see different subsections like all, pending, confirmed, packaging order, out for delivery order, delivered order, returned order, failed to deliver order, cancelled order. Let's see all orders. Here we can see all the orders. To see the specific detail about our order, we can click on this I button here. Now we can see the details. We have placed order for cloth and headphones, and the status is delivered. Payment method was cash. We haven't applied for any referral code, and the payment status is paid. Here we can see the information like its mail address and orders. We can also see our orders based on specific date. For that, we have to enter start date and the end date, and after that we have to click on this show data. Then we'll only see the products that have been sold between those date ranges. We can also export our orders from here in Excel file format. Let's check pending section. All the orders that has been pended that are pending will be shown over here. Again, we can take a look at particular product by clicking on this I button. We can see the location of the user on the map. We can print invoice here. Status is pending. Payment method was cash on delivery. Payment status is unpaid. We have two products in here, shoes and bags. We can change the order status from pending to confirmed, packaging, out for delivery, delivered, returned, failed to deliver, and cancelled. We can change the payment status to unpaid to paid. We can select the shipping type by self delivery man or by third party service. We can edit third party service here by entering the delivery service name and its tracking ID. For now, these are demo data. We can see the shipping address over here, which shows contact number, city and zip code, and the billing address over here, which shows name, contact, city, zip code and its location. At the bottom we have shop information, which is showing shop's number and shop's location. Now let's check confirmed orders. Here we can see all the confirmed orders. In the packaging orders, we can see all the orders that have status of packaging. Here we can see the orders whose order status is out for delivery. In the deliver section, we can see all the products who have order status of delivered. Here we can see all the orders which are returned by the customers. Similarly, in the fail to deliver section, we can see all the orders that were failed to deliver. Then we have cancelled section. Here we can see all the products that were cancelled by the user or that have order status of cancel. Let's check refund request. For now, we don't have any refund request. Let's check pending. Here we don't have data right now. Let's check product management. Here we have category setup, brands, product attributes, in-house products, seller products. Let's check category setup. Here we have categories, subcategories, subcategories. In the categories section, we can see all the categories that are available on our website, like Prabhav, Padotra, OnePulse, Face, Skin, Hair. We can edit these categories by clicking on this edit button. Here we can edit the category name, its priority and category logo. We can even add a new category here by filling the category name, setting its priority, setting category logo, and then clicking on submit button. We can also add subcategories and check for subcategories in the subcategories section. Here we have subcategories. We can add subcategories here. We have to write subcategory name here, main category name here, and its priority here, and then click on submit button. After this, we have subcategories. In subcategories, we have to write subcategories name here, main category name here, subcategory name here, and priority name here, and then click on submit button. to add it into subcategory, which will be shown over here. We can also edit subcategories by clicking on this edit button, or we can delete subcategories by clicking on this delete button. Next we have brands. Here we can see existing brands in the list. These are all the existing brands. We can edit these brands by clicking on this edit button. We can change brand's name here, brand's logo here, and then click on update button to update the brand detail. We can also export all these brands in Excel file format by clicking on export and selecting Excel. We can add new brand by clicking on add new. Here we have to write the brand name, select the brand logo, and then click on submit button to add a new brand. After brands, we have product attributes. All the product attributes are shown below. We can edit the product attribute by clicking on this edit button, or we can delete the product attribute by clicking on this delete button. Let's check edit function. Here we can edit the product attribute. We just have to rename this and then click on update to reflect the changes. We can add new attribute here by writing its name and clicking on submit button. Let's check in-house products. Here we have product section and bulk import section. Let's check product section. Here we have all the products like headphones, jewelry, watch, bags, etc. We can export all these products in Excel file format by clicking on export button. Limited stocks shows all the products which have less than 10 in number. These are the products which are below 10 in quantity. Let's go back. We can add new product by clicking on add new button. To add new product, we have to name the product, then its description, then general information like product type, its category, its subcategory, its subcategory, then product code, then brand name, then unit, its varieties like colors, its attribute, product price in stock, unit price, purchase price, tax, tax model, discount, discount type, total quantity, minimum order quantity, shipping cost multiplied by quantities. We can also add tags like search tags. Then we have SEO section. We can write meta title here, meta description here, and meta image here. We can also add YouTube video link, which is placed in here. We can upload products image here, then upload the product thumbnail here. Then click on submit to add the product. Let's go to bulk import. To import product in bulk, we have to import the Excel file format in here. Then click on submit button to import our products. After this, we have seller products. Here we can see new products. This section contains new products from the seller. Then we have approved products. The products which we have approved from the sellers will be displayed over here. We can view details by clicking on this I button, edit details by clicking on this edit button, and delete the product by clicking on this delete button. Let's view the product. Here we can see the details about the product, like its name, its price, tax rate, and discount percentage. We can also see the reviews here. Let's go back. and check the edit function. Here we can change the name, its description, product type, subcategory, digital product type, and all those things here, like tags, YouTube video links, etc. After approved products, we have denied products. The product which have been denied by us will be shown over here. After this, we have promotion management, in which we have banners, offer and deals, push notifications, announcement. Let's check banner section. Here we can add the banners which will be displayed on our site. For now, we have 6 banners. We can edit these banners by clicking on this edit button, or delete the banner by clicking on this delete button. We can even add new banner by clicking on this add banner. Let's add a new banner. For adding a new banner, we have to provide the banner's URL, banner type, the source type, product, selecting the product, selecting the image, and then clicking on save to edit into new banner. We can edit an old banner by clicking on this edit button. Here we can update the fields to see the changes or update the banner information. Now let's check offer and deals. Here we have coupon, flash deals, deal of the day, feature deal. Let's check coupon. In the coupon setup, we have coupon type, coupon title, coupon code, coupon bearer, seller, customer, limit for same user, discount type, discount amount, minimum purchase, say start date, expiry date. And we can click on submit to make it a new coupon. Coupons are usually made so that to provide some discounts to the user. Next, we have flash deals. To make a flash deal, we have to add title, mention start date, mention end date, and then upload the image of the flash deal. Then click on submit. Then it will be added in the flash deal table. For now, we have 2 flash deals, Lux Soap and flash deal. We can even add a product in the flash deal. We can select product from here. Let's check bags. Then click on add. Our product has been added into the flash deal. After this, we have deal of the day. Here we can add the title and product to add it into deal of the day section. We can edit or delete this deal of the day section. After this, we have featured deal. Here we can add the featured deal by writing its title, mentioning start date, end date, then clicking on submit to add it into featured deal. After this, we have push notification. In the push notification, we have to fill in the title, then write the description, upload the image, and the notification will be sent to the user. We can even search the notification by title. After this, we have announcements. For now, announcement setup is being inactive, and the background color is black. Text color is also black, and text which is shown is sale of 99% off. Let's make it active and click on publish. Announcement updated successfully. As you can see the message over here, the announcement has been made, which will be reflected on the user's site. After this, we have help and support section. Let's check message section under help and support section. Here we can see the messages related to helps required by the user. Next, we have support ticket. For now, we don't have any ticket, but All the ticket that will be raised by the user will be shown over here. After our help and support section, we have report and analytics. Let's check sales and transaction report. Here we have earning report, in-house sales, seller report, transaction report. Let's check earning report. Here we can see the earnings which have been made by us. Here we have two beautiful charts, a bar chart and a circular chart, and a table below which contains information about all the earnings which have been made. In-house earning, commission earning, on-firm shipping, discount given, VAT, refund given, total earning and actions. We can download this data by clicking on export button. Here we can see the total earnings is 144.95 rupees. Commission is 0. In-house earning is 144.95 and shipping price is 0. Let's see seller earning. This was our admin earning. Here we have one seller and 7 sellers products. We don't have data right now, but we can filter the data based on year, month, week and custom dates. After this we have in-house sales. In-house sales will be displayed over here. We can select the category by selecting the one of the categories from here, like face, skin, hair. After this we have seller report. In the seller report we can see we have one product and total order made of that product is 6, out of which one of the product was cancelled and 5 are in ongoing status. We can filter data based on user and based on time, like this year, this month, week or custom date. After this we have transaction report. Here we can see order transaction, expense transaction and refund transaction. We can filter data by dispose or hold. We can select customer from here and select time period from here, and then click on filter to filter the result. Here we can see 9 orders were made, out of which 3 were in-house orders and 6 were sellers orders. 6 were in-house products and 7 were sellers products. Total we have 12 stores. We can download the data in PDF format or in Excel format. Now we have product report. Before moving to the product report, let's check expense transaction. Here we can see all the expenses. After this we have refund transaction. Here we can see the data about the refunds transactions. Let's now move on to product report. Here we can see the data about product, like we have one product which was not rejected, neither it was in pending state, it was in active state. We can see the report about product here, which shows product name, product unit price, product amount sold, total quantity sold, average product value, current stock value and average ratings. After this we have order report. Here we can see the report about our orders. We have 9 orders, out of which 1 was cancelled, 7 are ongoing, 1 is completed. Total amount of orders price is listing here, that's 845.90. Due amount is 730.95 and already settles is 114.95. Here we have a beautiful chart which shows order statistics and payment statistics. We can see the details about our orders here. After report and analytics section, we have user management section, which contains customers, all sellers, subscribers, delivery man, employees. Let's check customers. We can see the existing customers in customer list. These all our existing customers. We can view their details by clicking on this I button. This shows the detail about the customer's name and his email ID and total order made by him. These all demo data for now. We can delete our customer by clicking on this delete button. We can block or unblock by clicking on this button over here. Let's see customer reviews. We can see customer reviews over here. We can even filter customer reviews by selecting the product, selecting the customer, selecting the status, active or inactive, and selecting the date between which the reviews have been given. Then we can click on filter to see the results. And we can also export the customer reviews by clicking on this export button. Next, we have wallet. Let's check wallet section. It contains the data about the wallet like debit, credit, and balance amount. Here we can filter the transaction based on specific date. We can enter the initial date here, final date here, and then select the type which we want to filter like fund by admin, refund orders, customer loyalty point, or order place, and click on filter. Before clicking on filter, we have to select the customer and then click on filter to see the wallet information about that customer. Loyalty points. Here we can see the customer loyalty point report from the start date, end date, selecting the option from point to wallet, order place, or refund order, and by selecting the customer from here. Then click on filter to see the customer loyalty point report. After this, we have all sellers. Here we can see the report about the sellers. Like we can add the new seller, see the sellers list, withdraws method. Let's see sellers list first. This contains the list about all our sellers. We can see the more detail about our seller by clicking on this I button. We can see seller's wallet over here. We can see pending withdrawal, already withdrawn, total tax given, total commission given, total delivery charges on, collected cash here. We have seller account, which is for now inactive. Seller name is here, email address, phone number. Then we have information about the seller's bank account. Then we have shop information about the seller. After this, we have order. For now, we don't have seller orders here. Similarly, orders seller's product will be shown here. This contains the seller's setting like sales commission, GST number, seller POS. After this, we have transaction section. We can see all the transactions here. Then we have reviews about the seller. Here we can see the reviews about our sellers. We can add a new seller by clicking on add new seller. For adding a new seller, we have to fill in these details: first name, last name, phone number of the seller, seller's image, then seller's email, password. He has to confirm his password. Then he has to name his shop address, his shop logo, and his shop banner. Then click on submit. Will create a new seller. Now let's check withdraws. All the withdraws requests will be shown here. Then we have withdrawal method. This contains all the withdrawal methods. Then we have subscribers. All the subscribers will be shown over here. Then we have delivery man, which contains add new section, list, chat, withdraws, emergency contract. Let's see delivery man list first. For now, we have one delivery man. whose contact info is driver@text.com, or total orders made by this delivery man 8, and all other information. We can edit this delivery man by clicking on this edit button, or we can see its earning statement or delete this delivery man. Let's edit this delivery man. We can edit these fields: his first name, identity type, last number, identity number, phone number, address, delivery man image, and identity image. And he has to also mention his account information like email, password. He has to confirm his password, then click on submit to edit delivery man's report. After this, we have chat option in delivery man. For now, we don't have any messages over here. Next, we have withdrawals. All the withdrawals requests regarding delivery man will be shown here. Next, we have emergency contact. We can add new contact information here, like contact name, contact's phone number, and then click on submit to add the emergency contact person here. After this, we have employee section, which contains employee role setup. We can set up role for our employee. First of all, we'll have to mention the role name of the employee. Then we have to select the module permission from one of these: dashboard, order management, product management, promotion management, help and support section, report and analytics, user management, system setting, and then click on submit. Then the employee role will be added down here. These are demo data for employee roles. Like admin, he has the module role of these: dashboard, order management, product management, etc. We can edit these roles by clicking on this edit button, or we can delete these roles. We can even change the status of this employee role. Next, check employee. Here we can see the list of all the employees. For now, we have one employee. We can add new employee by clicking on this add new button. Now we have to fill in the details for the employee, like his first full name, employee image, phone number, role, his email, password, and confirm password. Then it will create a new employee. Then click on submit. Next, we have system settings. In system settings, we have business setup, third party, pages and media, and system setup. Let's check business setup. In business setup, we have many options like general, app setting, in-house shop, seller, customer, refund, shipping method, order, product, delivery restrictions, cookie settings. Let's check general. Here we can see the company information. For now, the company name is Techsteck Solution, phone number, email, company address. Its latitude will be added here, longitude can be added here, time zone, and country. Business information is added here, like current position, email verification, pagination setting, forget password verify by, order verification, digit after decimal point, OTP verification, company copyright text, website color, website header logo, website footer logo, website favicon, loading zip, app logo, and then we can click on submit if we have made any changes in these. After this, we have app setting. Here, our Apple Store is active, and the link is this. Play Store is active, and the link is this. After this, we have in-house store. For now, this is closed, and shop cover image is this. Then we have seller. We can see the sales commission here. We can set the seller's registration here. We can set the seller POS section here. We can set the business mode here. We can change the admin approval for products here. And then we have customer. customer wallet settings. We can change the loyalty point system from here, like an hour equal to how many points, percentage of loyalty point on order amount, minimum point to transfer, and we can click on save to make the suitable changes. Next we have refund request after within how many days. For now we have 5 days. Next we have shipping method. For now the shipping method is in-house shipping. We can change it to seller wise shipping, or we can change shipping method to category wise or product wise. We can add order by shipping by providing its title, duration, cost, and clicking on submit to make the changes. And we can see the change order by shipping here down here. Then we have order. If we want to show the billing address in checkout, we can click on activate. Otherwise, we can click on deactivate. Next, we have product. Minimum shock limit for warning is for now 10. Next, we have digital product. We have turned on the digital product. Product brand is turned on. Next, we have delivery restrictions. Delivery available country was turned off, and delivery available by zip code is also turned off. Now let's see cooking setting. Here we can write the cookie text and click on save to make the changes, and turn this cookie setting on by clicking on this button. Next we have third party integrations. We can add third party like Relearn's SMS, Twilio SMS by providing their API keys from an OTP template. For adding Twilio SMS, we have to provide it SID, message servicing SID token from an OTP template. Similarly, for Nexmo SMS and two-factor SMS, we have to provide API key and API secret from an OTP template. After this, we have mail config. Here the SMTP mail config is activate. Mailer name, host name, delivery, port number, username, email ID, encryption, password have been already added as a demo. You can add yours and make suitable changes. Next, to use SendGrid mail, we can use this column. We have to enter mail name, host name, driver, port, username, email ID, encryption, password, and then click on save to save the changes. After this, we have payment method. For now, we have payment method active. Cash on delivery active, digital payments active, but offline payments inactive. We can add SSL Commerce, PayPal, Stripe, Razorpay, Cnage Pay, PayTaps, Paystack, Paymob Accept, Masdado, Pago, LutuPack, Paytm, etc. to our app for third-party integrations. Now let's check recap. Here we can enter the site key and secret key, and we can set up credential setup page over here and click on save to make the suitable changes. After this, we have Google Map API. Here we can add the Map API key client and Map API key server to add Google Maps. Next, we have push notification setup. Here we have set up the Firebase push notification setup. Here we have to enter the server key. We have to turn on the push notification, order pending by message, order confirmation message, order processing message, order out for delivery message, order delivered message, order return message, and all the blocks below have been turned off, which are order field message, delivery assigned message, delivery man start message, delivery man delivered message, delivery man rescheduled message, order cancelled message. After this, we have social media login. Here we can see Google and Facebook login. For now, we have enabled Google login. The callback URL has been entered here. Storage store client ID has been added here. Store client ID secret key has been added here, and we can click on save to make changes. You can enter your client ID and client secret key to use suitably. Now we can add see social media chat. Here you can add your WhatsApp phone number and enable WhatsApp feature in your app. After this we have pages and media section. In this pages and media section we have pages, social media links and gallery. Let's check pages section. In the pages section you can customize your pages related to terms and condition, privacy policy, refund policy, return policy, cancellation policy, about us, and frequently asked questions according to yourself. For now, these all are filled with demo data. After this, we have social media link. You can add your social media link over here. You can select your social media from here: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Google Plus, and you can enter your social media link here. Then click on save to make the changes, and your social media link will be added here. After this, we have gallery section. In the gallery section, you can see all the data like images of product, brands. All these are added here. After gallery section, we have system setup.